Alright, this is a video review of the Tablet Talk app. It's for Android, and it allows you to have your messages show up on your tablet that's going to your phone. So in my case here, I've got myself the Galaxy Nexus and the Transformer by Asus, Transformer TF300. I used to have a Playbook from BlackBerry as well as a Torch 9800, and I got used to having my messages show up on my tablet. So if I was downstairs on my couch and my phone was upstairs charging, then I could still just use the one device to communicate with other people. In order to open it, you can go in your app drawer, just look up tablet right here. Same thing with this guy here. So I'm already connected to everything, and you can see I actually have some conversations going on here that's been synchronized, and over here is where you get all the settings. Okay, so if I were to send myself a text from, let's say, my wife's phone, just sent right now. There we go, so it just came through here. I'll have to blur out the rest of this conversation, but it did show up. If I was in the browser and I was looking at, let's say, Android Central, then what happens then is it will show up over here. And over here you can see it just did a little pop-up. So I can reply back. You swipe. And if you're like trying to mirror the conversation, oops, let me do this again. So I just type things on one, it works on the other. And over here it should say hello in a sec. There we go. Now, something else that I thought was pretty wild was phone calls. So you see it's ringing over here. And here I have the option of muting or hanging up. And there, I just hung up the phone right from my tablet. When it comes to setting it up, it's actually very, very straightforward. It shows up in here. Wake the phone back up. It's got this as your settings here. And over here you got settings as well. So I have mine going over Wi-Fi because I'm inside the house. This I thought was another great thing that was way better than what BlackBerry had, because when you're going through Wi-Fi, then you can keep your Bluetooth turned off. When you keep that off, then you actually save a little bit of battery power. Not a huge thing, but if you have the ability to use Wi-Fi instead, why not? So that's how I got mine going. It's by connection type. You click on it, you got the option of either or. You can make a password. You put it in here, and then you would do the same thing with on the phone. Auto retry and that kind of stuff, and it's got some other fun little things like having the app launch when like automatically start for you and when a device turns on, and other fun settings here. I haven't gone through this completely, but call ID is enabled. As you can see, I could have set a ringtone on the device on my tablet if I wanted to, and yeah, not much else to show. So but yeah, I just bought it today and it's been working for quite a few hours. I've been texting back and forth with some people and I've had no issues yet whatsoever. So yeah, Tablet Talk. It cost $3 in the Play Store.